In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more keywords to Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to add a solid list of terms so your ads can reach more of the right people without getting lost in the interface. Start by opening your Google Ads account. Once you're in, give yourself a second to confirm you're in the correct account and the right workspace for the campaign you want to expand. This helps you avoid adding keywords to the wrong place and keeps your reporting clean later. Next, click Campaign. This takes you into the area where your advertising is organized. If you manage multiple campaigns, make sure you're looking at the one that needs new keywords. Keeping campaigns clearly labeled can save a lot of confusion when you're juggling different products, markets, or goals. From there, click Audience. We're moving through the targeting tools so you can see how your audience and keyword settings work together. Even though we're about to add keywords, it's useful to be aware of the audience context your ads are using, things like demographics or interests, because your keywords and your audience should complement each other. Now click Keywords. This is the hub for the search terms you want to bid on. Think of this area as the bridge between what people type into Google and when your ads get the opportunity to show. The more relevant and well-structured your keywords are, the better your chances of earning impressions and clicks that actually convert. Click the plus icon. This opens the keyword input panel where you can add as many keywords as you want. You can type them in or paste a list, one per line. Aim for terms that match your customer's intent. Include your core product or service phrases, common variations, and practical qualifiers like size, color, or location if they matter to your business. Keep phrases natural and specific. Terms that are too broad can waste budget, while overly narrow phrases might limit reach. If you prefer, you can use match types to guide how closely a search needs to match your keyword. Choose the level of control that fits your strategy. As you add, watch for duplicates and obvious misspellings, and group similar ideas together so performance is easier to analyze later. That's it. You've opened your account, navigated to the campaign, moved through audience, entered the keywords section, and used the plus icon to add your list. Keep your additions relevant, review results over time, and refine as you learn. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.